So much for the enthusiasm about the Europe deal. Monday, obviously, people worrying about Italy, and on Tuesday, the Greek concerns are back. A huge monkey wrench thrown into the Euro deal, with Greece saying that it will have a referendum on the bailout plan. This might not go so well because many Greeks are not in favor of the strict austerity measures that will be required in order for Greece to get all the money it needs to cut its debt load. This is having a major impact on world markets and U.S. stocks as well. Going to be a bloodbath on the first day of November. Turning to corporate news, Dow, bellwether, and tech giant Cisco Systems reporting earnings next week. A lot of companies are nipping at Cisco's heels, though. One of them is F5 Networks. F5, a very strongly performing networking company, spoke to their CEO, John McAdam, recently about the fact that F5 recently hired a longtime Cisco executive so that F5 can focus even more on the burgeoning security market.
Security for us is going to be a big cross-functional organizational change, and every function will be affected. Manny's got a lot of experience in working in a complex environment like Cisco, cross-functional, working together, where development's involved, sales are involved, and Manny's going to drive that thrust into the security market.
Finally, Netflix is definitely still a stock and company that investors love to either love or hate. Wrote a column last week about is Netflix the next AOL, got over 300 reader comments on that, both for and against Netflix. Son of Troy wrote, "They lost me on the second price hike. Never again. I hope they bomb." But Netflix still has many fans. John85 wrote, "If you don't like Netflix, don't subscribe. But how about cutting some slack to those that do enjoy it? The I don't like it, so nobody should crowd is getting old." Good point there. Obviously, Netflix may not be for everyone anymore after these price hikes and some of the confusing brand strategy moves they made. Quickster, remember that? If you blinked, you missed it. But Netflix definitely still has some problems, and like I said, it could be the next AOL if Reed Hastings doesn't get his act together.